Connecting with the breath. We are breathing deep but gentle. Bringing all your awareness to the breath. Connecting with your heart. Breathing in love, acceptance, forgiveness, gratitude. And on the exhale, we let go of everything and anything that is not serving us anymore. Softening the body, softening the mind, softening the heart. Breathing deep into your tummy. Breathing deep but gentle. Softening, softening, gentle. Letting go. Letting go. Connecting with your heart. Connecting with your heart.